Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the important endocrine gland, that is the thyroid gland. Today we will discuss the structure of the thyroid gland. Before going to the structure of the thyroid gland, first of all we will know where the thyroid gland is located. The thyroid gland is situated in the neck, in the front of the larynx and the trachea at the level of 5th, 6th and 7th cervical vertebrae and the first thoracic vertebrae. It is a highly vascular gland and surrounded by a fibrous capsule. It consists of two lobes. The thyroid gland consists of two lobes, and these lobes are joined to each other by a narrow joining known as isthmus of thyroid gland. This isthmus is the joining of the two lobes of the thyroid gland, which lies in front of the trachea. This is the trachea. Here it is marked trachea, and in front of the trachea lies the isthmus of the thyroid gland. The thyroid glands, the lobes of the thyroid glands are conical in shape. Here you can see the conical shape of the lobe of the thyroid gland, and it is about 5 centimeter long. The length of the lobe is about 5 centimeter and it is 3 centimeter wide. Here I am talking about the size of each lobe, not the size of the entire thyroid gland, but the size of each lobe, that is 5 centimeter long in length and 3 centimeter wide in width. Now we will discuss about the blood supply to the thyroid gland. First of all, we will discuss about the arterial supply. The thyroid glands, the blood in the thyroid gland, the blood is supplied by the thyroid arteries, the arterial blood. The arterial blood is supplied by the thyroid arteries, that is to the superior part. To the superior part of the thyroid gland, the blood is supplied by the superior thyroid arteries. These are the superior thyroid arteries. And to the inferior part of the gland, the blood is supplied by the inferior thyroid arteries. These are the inferior thyroid arteries. The superior thyroid artery is a branch of external carotid arteries. To the right part of the thyroid gland, the right superior part of the thyroid gland supplies blood, that is right superior thyroid artery, which is a branch of right external carotid artery. Similar to the left part of the superior thyroid gland is supplied by the left superior thyroid artery, which is a branch of left external carotid artery. And to the inferior part of the gland, the blood is supplied by a inferior thyroid artery to the right inferior thyroid artery to the right inferior part, and to the left inferior part is supplied by the left inferior thyroid artery. And this right inferior thyroid artery is a branch of right subclavian artery, and the left inferior thyroid artery is a branch of left common carotid artery. Now we will discuss about the venous flow of the blood through the thyroid gland. The venous return of the blood is done by the thyroid veins to the internal right jugular vein to the right lobe, and similarly to the left lobe by the left jugular vein. Now we will see the microscopic structure of the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland, in this gland, it composed of follicles, spherical follicles, which are made up of cubical epithelial cells. These are the follicles which are made up of cubical epithelial cells. Many follicles are present in the thyroid glands, and these follicles containing a thick, sticky, semi-fluid, structureless proteins called colloid. These follicles consist of a colloid. In this colloid are present the thyroid hormones. These are the colloids. These are the follicles. In this follicle consists of a colloid protein called colloid, where the thyroid hormones are present, and between two adjacent or between two follicles. These are the follicles. Between two follicles are present parafollicular cells. Here you can see the parafollicular cells present in between the two follicles, which is also known as C cells, as it secretes calcitonin. I hope this video will be very useful to you. Thank you.